So guys, um, this is the second trade recap. I'm just gonna be taking you guys through on how I made $625 today on my eval. Um, so yeah, let's dive straight into it. Um, Looking at yesterday's price action, we basically dropped about 1,000 points, I think. Let's see. Yeah, about 922 points, right? So I'm seeing two things out of that. Normally, after Asia market expands that much, um, normally the next session or next couple sessions is going to be choppy. So I was kind of anticipating that. I wasn't really planning on taking a trade unless I seen something like super clear to me. You know what I mean? So as you can see, off of yesterday's morning 10 o'clock open, I got a standard deviation projection. We fell into this -2 standard deviation. We saw a little rebalance here, right? So coming in the market open, we came straight up. We came into this 5-minute fair value gap, right? Let me mark that out. So we came into this 5-minute fair value gap. Strong rejection up out of that. And then we sliced through our previous day POC. And with that, I want to see a retest back to it. And we got that. And then so I took my trade off of this right here. And I was targeting the order block / rejection block. Well, really the CE of the rejection block on the 15-minute time frame. Right? So that was really, this is a short trade recap. That was a textbook trade in my opinion. You know what I mean? Some other context I guess I can throw in there was the VAH and the VAL, value area high, value area low. And normally what we do, if we don't have a break out of these two sections, then normally it's going to be basically chop around. You know what I'm saying? We're just going to be range bound within the session. So for tomorrow, like New York, I'm expecting one of these to be breaking out of, and then maybe like a retest to continue the trend. But yeah. So the reason why I went break even the way I did was because on the hourly time frame, I seen this very strong rejection block inside of -2 standard deviation, inside of my PD array. And what I was anticipating was this to actually hold, right? So as soon as we tapped into our 15-minute low right here to tap into our rejection block on a higher time frame, that is where I wanted to break even at, because I was anticipating a reaction back to the upside up off of that, right? So I just took my little piece of the pie. What I seen was, what was basically right in front of me. And that was this short right here. I could have took this long up into the -2 standard deviation, right? Taking out these highs. But like I said, that was textbook for me. I wanted to take that. Yeah, we all got a different edge in the market. So yeah, that concludes today's video. Um, if you guys got any questions for me, or even like sauce for me, honestly, I gladly appreciate it. You just type it down in the comment section below. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in the next one.